Good morning, y'all. Today is Tuesday. If you're new here, hey girl, my name is Jilla. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So I'm starting a new vlog. Your girl is about to hit the gym. We're gonna go to Planet Fitness. That's where I have my gym membership at. I do want to eventually upgrade to LA Fitness because it's closer to my house. They just built one. But I need to get consistent first. So once your girl gets consistent, then we'll make that commitment. But anyways, yeah, it's like 10 o'clock. I had to wait for my battery to charge. But I took my vitamins. I bought these vitamins like a few months ago, and I promised myself I would start being consistent, but I fell off. So you know, since it's a new year, we need to not be playing games. So I'm taking the daily cleanse. Can you focus? There we go. They're supposed to help like clear your skin and body from like toxins. And then I'm taking the counter cravings, which basically helps reduce cravings and boost metabolism because your girl got a big sweet tooth. So anyways, we about to head to the gym. I'll see you guys when we get there. We are here. And y'all, Walmart got the best leggings. Like, I wish I could show you a better view. But they got pockets though. Like, what? Anyways, let's get this working. So I'm in Tmax. If they have Becca makeup for $10, and like Laura Mercier. Red for $12.99. This is originally like $40. And then I thought this was really cute. It's $10. They got this brand. This is sold at Ulta. Only for, and I believe these are like 20 plus and only $10. The same brand. They got Juice Beauty. Juice Beauty is expensive. Like all this skincare stuff. So I'm in the candles section. These are like all the candles. This one smells really good. This one smells really good. It might be limited edition because it was in the Valentine's Day section. They're cheap though. This one was $7.99. Stinks. Anything ocean and sea salt. Now we are at one of my favorite places. I haven't been here in a while. Alright y'all, so I am back at home. I made me some lunch, but it's gonna be like meal prep for the next couple of days. Let me show you guys. Got green beans, chicken, and rice. And then this is the finished look. And then for the chicken, I picked up this mango chipotle seasoning. It actually tastes pretty good. And this blackened with cayenne and lemon seasoning. And these both I got from Target. Target got some good variety of seasonings, if y'all didn't know. I'm about to clean the kitchen to get in the shower. Then I gotta head to my sister's basketball game because I've never been to one. I've been busy working and stuff, so since I'm kind of free today, I'm gonna go. I'm so excited to see her play, so I'll check back with you guys when I'm on my way. Look at my little sister. What's up, y'all? So it is about an hour later. I've been home for about 30 minutes. I walked my dog, and now I'm about to start my class. This class is from 6:10 to 8, which is kind of a long time. Even though we only meet once a week, it like them 2 hours be going by. Sometimes they go by fast, and if my teacher's lecturing, but when we get in our groups, the time be going by. No, when my teacher be lecturing, the time goes by very slow. But if I'm in my group, then time goes by pretty fast. But I'm also gonna light a new candle. Hope you can see it. There we go. It's the Island Margarita. It smells good. It smells like a sweet margarita. So I'm gonna light that. I need to grab my lighter 1 second. Whew. Gotta like this last one. Fuck this shit. What is the right way to light candles? Because baby, I'm always burning my finger. Also, I didn't show you guys the Amazon, or not Amazon, the crumble cookie I got. So I got the, I think it's called the cinnamon swirl. Anyways, this is what it looks like. So, ooh, camera's falling. The brown stuff you see is cinnamon sugar, and then it's swirled with like cream cheese, and I think it's a sugar cookie.
We can measure, it's actionable and measurable. The team is creating and launching their e-commerce store. Presentations. The first couple are at least recorded, so you'll be able to watch them on your own time. There is work to do after each presentation. I would suggest you don't leave it until after all the presentations are done, and that you're doing it as they're going along. In other words, if I give one today, I would do that work before next Tuesday instead of waiting until the 2 weeks are up and then hoping to do all 4 at once. Just because there's a lot of things to do, and the more time you can give them as
I'll give it like a
creatively, the more it's going to benefit you.
8 out of
Marketing is
10.
a real fast task. Write those down in the milestone document, please. That means.
All right, y'all, so I am done with my Zoom call, and I wanted to show you guys before I go to bed what I got. So we'll start with TJ Maxx. So I got me a jade. 1 second. So the first thing I got was this jade roller. I've seen my mom use this, and I guess it like, I don't know exactly what it does. But oh, it says enhances benefits of serums, help eliminate puffiness, help relax and soothe. So yeah, and it was only $4. Why are you not focusing? It was only $4. So that's cheap, because all the jade rollers I've seen in store are like $20 plus. Got me some socks. I lose socks. I said this in a couple of vlogs below, but I lose socks really fast, especially with my dog. She loves to steal my socks, and this was only $10 for 15 pairs, which is good. I got me some hand soap. This is lemon, basically a lemon, it's lemon scented. It smells bomb. I got this kit for my mom. It's an Auntie Jackie set. So it has like the leave-in conditioner, detangling, and moisturizing shampoo. My mom went natural like a few years ago. So I got some overnight foot pads, but these are actually for my stepmom. She's into that type of stuff. Got me some Sun-Kissed elf drops. This is how it looks, and it was only $3.99. I also got this eye cream by this brand. I don't really know how you pronounce Bosia. I don't know, but I've seen this brand at Ulta when I used to work there, and it's considered a prestige brand. So and I got this eye cream for $10. I don't usually use eye cream, but I kind of should because your girl does have some circles. This thing I got was these elastic bands, as other people say, but I say rubber bands or ponytail holders. And it's like a jar of them. Y'all, look at this. Isn't this cute? Let me show you guys what I got from Walmart. Creve Nightly exfoliate treatment. Creve is a pretty good drugstore brand, so I'm gonna try this. I haven't really used any Creve on my face. My mom uses it and her skin is cleared. I got some more Walmart leggings, y'all. I'm not gonna try them on, but they're so cute. I was wearing the first pair I bought last week. I was wearing them today, and I went and worked out with them, and like I didn't have to pull my pants up like that. Like usually when I go to work out and I wear like Nike or pink leggings, like I be having to pull my pants up a lot with like moving around and stuff, but like I did not. And then like it has like this thick band, so like it kind of like sucks me in. Even though I was wearing a waist trainer, like I didn't look like super bulky. And then the best part is that it got pockets, and like, well, this one, like, yeah, it just has great pockets. So literally I put my phone in here, and I kid you not, like I could do some jumping jacks, and they're not, my phone is not gonna fall out. But these are like the capri kind, so they're gonna come down, they're gonna reach right before my ankle. So, and the ones I was wearing today was the ones that go all the way down to my feet. So wear a size medium, and they're only $14.96. I'm not gonna wait for that to focus, but yeah, they're only $15, and they beat Nike. They beat pink leggings, like good. Like they're thick, they're not see-through, good quality. So yeah. And then the last thing I got from Walmart was this in shower body lotion. Basically I believe it's like a body wash, but it gives you that lotion effect. I don't know, I haven't used it, obviously never used it before. So after cleansing, apply with wet skin, rinse off. Okay, so yeah, it's basically like a body wash, but I guess it's supposed to really moisturize. It smells good too. Anyways, as I was saying, hopefully these products are good. We're gonna try this one out, and if it doesn't work out, it's going back. But with TJ Maxx return policy, like once I use this, I cannot return it. So like I'm like debating on it. I do need some eye cream, and it was only $10, but I'm like, is it good quality though? Is it gonna brighten up my under eyes? So I'm gonna definitely do some research on this before I go using it. I'm gonna like look at reviews on Ulta and the actual brand's website and see what it's giving. But yeah, y'all, I'm about to watch some YouTube videos and probably go to sleep. Your girl's tired, she gotta work in the morning, and I wanna either work out downstairs in my garage or work out or hit the gym. So I definitely need to go to bed. So I will see you guys